So now, I also have a regular rolling pin and a little small pin, because the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my butter into the corners of my bag. This can feel a little awkward. This can feel a little awkward at first. But once you do it a couple times, you'll be a pro. All right, the main thing to remember is that we keep the bag open, and I'm trying to smooth out the seams, and then I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to squish, such a technical term, I'm going to squish the butter into the corners of the bag. You could also use 2 pieces of parchment paper to do this. Remember that the measurement we're going for is 11 by 10 inches. Okay, I'm going to lose the big pin, and you may periodically have to kind of adjust the bag and lift a little bit. And now this is looking quite good. I'm going to go ahead, seal the bag, and finish the job. Okay, so we're going to roll it all the way to the zipper edge. And then any areas that are still baggy where you can see open bag, just keep rolling. All right, now we're just going to smooth it out nice and flat with our large rolling pin. There we go. You can get ahead with your butter block. You can make it and keep it for 3 days in the refrigerator or in the freezer for up to 1 month.